What's up, meatheads? I just got this Bronco drum smoker from Oklahoma Joe's. Let's check it out. Everything seems to be there. Let's load it up and let's start burning it off. There we go. All right, well, that's burning off. Let's go ahead and get to our chickens. I wrap my stuff with cellophane so I don't cross-contaminate that bad. That's some Pam butter flavor cookie spray I use as a binder. With some paprika, some salt, some garlic on this one right here. On this one right here, we're gonna go heavy with some old jerk seasoning. First, you got to have that paprika base. Here we go with the old jerk. That's it. Oh, let's get it. Check them out. They cooking. Oh yeah. It's about halfway through, and now they done. Let's go on and get them off. All right. So what I did now was I had some corn soaking in some water on the cob, in the husk, right there on that old diffuser plate. Oh yeah. And that's it, y'all. Don't get no better than that.